Basic English Tips by Teacher Vini. In, at, on. Time. We usually use the preposition in when we refer to years. I was born in 1988. The war begins in 1945. We also use in when we talk about months. I was born in June. Halloween is in October. Finally, we can use in when we refer to periods of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. On. We use the preposition on for specific dates. I was born on June the 17th. The party is on the 2nd of March. Or we can use on for a specific day of the week. I work on Saturdays. I work late on Mondays. At. We can use at to talk about the hour of an event. My lessons start at 5 o'clock. I finish work at 6. And we also use at for a special celebrations period. At the New Year, at Christmas. For places, we use in to talk about countries. I live in Brazil. She is in the USA. We also use in to talk about cities. I live in São Paulo. I live in Rio de Janeiro. In general places. My mother is in the living room. I work in a school. She works in a hospital. We use on when we talk about street. I live on Molly Street. And finally, we use at to talk about specific places. I'm at work. We study at Boston College. She's at the university. The kids are at school. I work at BMC Bank. And we also use at for complete addresses. I live at 453 Molly Street. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, click on like it, subscribe for more videos, share with your friends, leave a comment or suggestion. If you didn't like it, you suck.